What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. So I'm going to be talking about if NordVPN is 100% legit or not. All right, anytime I get into VPNs, I like to bring up 3 reasons you should be using one. The first one being that you just get more privacy. Google can't track you. You can download movies, torrents, those kind of things without your service provider hitting you up saying you're doing something illegal. And then, of course, you can access restricted websites not available in your country. But it also just kind of comes down to more security and privacy, in my opinion. Okay, Nord's been around for about 6 years now. They've got a great mobile app, but it works really good on Mac, Windows, any laptop you're using. So, I mean, we're going to be checking out on both iOS and Android right here, and I'll have a link in the description if you want to check out their main site. I do want to pull up their main site real quick. Basically, they've got the ability to use 6 devices simultaneously when you have one account, and they've got over 4,300 servers worldwide, that's a ton of servers. I'm going to load it up just to show everybody how it works and really just how easy it is to use. So, like, the mobile interface on here is pretty cool. So there's a map feature that you can use. Basically, the map feature has these little dots on different continents. So if you wanted to connect to any of these dots, you can do that. So you can, just click on one random one here, like Turkey. Or you can pull up like a list and it'll have a list of the different areas that you can connect to. Now I'm gonna head back over to here and I'm just gonna connect to Turkey. Why not? Literally it takes just a couple of seconds for this thing to connect to anywhere you want, and then it pulls up, a live feed of your new IP address, and it shows you that you're now active in Turkey. So basically, it always has this up. Now, as far as like connectivity issues, I haven't run into any problems, so I do want to mention that everything's been pretty legit on that end. Now, to check that the VPN's working, one thing I like to do is, just head over to Google and then you just type in, what is my location, and it should pull you up, in Turkey, obviously. So let's do that real quick. So my location now? Let's just pull it up and let's check it out on a map. All right, cool. So it's pulling us up in Turkey. You can see it's totally got it highlighted on Google Maps. So it is working. And like I said, you can literally connect to anywhere. So, I mean, if you're out of the country, for example, like let's say you were in Turkey, you could connect back to the United States and vice versa. Okay, so there's some other cool features in here. I want to show it on Android over here. I think I'm logged in over here. Okay, cool. So I am logged in over here. So kind of like the same thing. One thing you can do on here that's pretty cool is you can browse the servers as well on Android, and you can just kind of like pull up some different servers in different areas, which is really cool. I just got to say, like, this is just some really cool stuff. The fact that it's just kind of like has a great interface for connecting and stuff, I just think that that's a huge plus. There's really not much to this. I do like the map feature quite a bit. It's pretty like just easy to navigate, so if you just wanted to like browse around literally anywhere, you can do that, and then you just click on it and you're good to go. Now, one of the things about using Nord is that it's not a free service. It's like $9.99 a month, but I've mentioned in the past, anytime you go with like one of those free VPNs, they tend to not work correctly. They disconnect. They're filled with ads. Oftentimes they have viruses. I like to compare using a VPN to paying for like a Netflix subscription, because it literally costs around the same amount. I mean, you're never going to be paying more than like $10 or $11, for a VPN service. I mean, and honestly, it's totally worth it in the long run. You just get way more privacy. You get more security, and if you're anything like me and you like to download things, you don't want to get hit up by your service provider. But for a lot of people, it really just comes down to more safety, privacy and security, those reasons. But if you're asking me if NordVPN is legit, it is 100% legit. 4,300 servers worldwide. That's crazy. No issues with connectivity. It's always connected when you're connected, and it's nice. You know what I'm saying? So if you have any questions about Nord, definitely hit me up in the comments and I'll get back to you. I'll have a link in the description if you want to check out Nord and sign up to it. Definitely recommend it if you're looking for a solid VPN right now. If you'd also hit the like and share button on this video, I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you.